Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn about curves, colors and color wheels. So, double click on the video and go to colors and then curves. On curves, you have different colors, for example white and black, and you can make the color of the video darker or brighter. And you have for example red color as well, and so on. You can also choose your custom color from the video. Now you have color wheels. Here you have highlights colors, midtones and shadows colors. We gonna try. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.